Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a heart message flower. So let's start. The materials are some scissors, tape, a ruler, markers, glue, a stick, some colored papers, and a paper clip. First, let's make 2 paper squares of different colors. I'm going to use blue and red. Now let's cut these together at once. Now let's fold this into a triangle. Let's do this 3 times until it becomes small. Now, let's fold this in half, pinch the middle, and fold these on the sides, making a different kind of triangle. Now fold it again. Next, make a curve over here. Draw a curve to make it easier. Now let's cut this. Let's do the same thing with the other one, but let's make it smaller. Now put a glue. Then let's glue this together and make sure it's centered. Now let's write a message. So make sure you fold this and the U is at the top like this. And at the back, put the stick right here. Now let's tape it. Let's put another one to make it stronger. Now let's make the leaves. First, let's cut a small strip of paper. Now, fold this in half and draw a leaf. Now let's cut this. Now let's draw on the other leaf. Now let's glue these and wrap this around the stick. Now let's glue the other one. To keep this from opening like this, let's put a paper clip. Now let's put some artwork on it. Now let's draw a bee. Now let's put a paper clip on it. First, stretch this like this and get a small piece of tape and put it in between right here. Now attach this to the bee. Now let's attach these bees. Now let's open this. are special. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!